Pack up your bags and head home for the new year, all right? Sweetheart, it's not you who enters. Honey, would you like Dad to come and pick you up? Gather all your things and we'll head home for the new year, all right? Hey, I like the aroma of cotton clothes and another cotton coat. Go get the toys. Come and purchase baby sleepwear. Cozy sleepwear. These sleepwear items are essential. Hello, 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 fellow students. You can't sink your teeth into this. These 3 packs are sufficient. Essential groceries. There are medications at home that you will never utilize in your life. You absolutely need to bring this uncle along. I'll include the final one for you to store your toys inside. Is it possible for you to bring back a couple of toys to play with? You can decide. Let's head out. Eat properly. Let's move. Water the plants. Water the plants. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Sip some water. Can the puppy enter? May I sit beside you? Thank you. Stay still. Return home and eat veggies. Spot fried food. Head home and learn to make porridge and rice after the meal. Return home. Embrace the nanny. Economic spending 137. The baby that must adhere to the rules. Let's head back home. See the chubby little one. Hello, we're back home. Good child. Meet again after the new year. Goodbye.